Cumin, benefits and side effects. The cumin plant, which is native to India, China, and the Middle East, grows low in the ground and is commonly used as a spice. Its fruit, which is also known as the cumin seed, is regarded as a health-enhancing ingredient. Cumin has various health benefits, such as its ability to improve digestion and boost the immune system. Although clinical studies are not able to confirm all of its claims, some of its effects can be demonstrated. Benefits of cumin. 1. Contains antioxidants. The seeds of cumin contain naturally occurring compounds that are known as antioxidants. These substances, which are called luteolin and apigenin, help keep harmful free radicals from attacking healthy cells. They also help keep the skin looking young. 2. Has anti-cancer properties. Some studies have shown that cumin can prevent cancer cells from growing. In one experiment, rats that were given a diet containing cumin were able to avoid colon cancer. A study also found that out of the 9 spices and herbs that were studied, cumin and basil were the most effective against cancer. 3. May help treat diarrhea. For centuries, traditional medicine has been recommending the use of cumin as a treatment for diarrhea. Due to its various health benefits, Western medicine is now beginning to use it as a supplement. Cumin extract was administered to rats that were suffering from diarrhea. The researchers noted that the treatment helped improve their condition. 4. Helps control blood sugar. In a clinical trial, cumin was used as an herbal drug to treat diabetes. The drug was able to help individuals with this condition manage their condition. In lab tests, animals that were suffering from diabetes were also able to improve their condition after being given cumin. It's widely believed that cumin oil has hypoglycemic properties. 5. Fights bacteria and parasites. Cumin oil is used as an antiseptic and larvicide. According to researchers, it can kill strains of bacteria that have been resistant to standard antibiotics. Their findings could explain why cumin is used as a food preservative. 6. Has an anti-inflammatory effect. The active ingredients found in cumin seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. This means that if one has inflammation or pain, adding cumin to their diet could help them manage their condition. Although the essential oil of cumin doesn't contain anti-inflammatory properties, the seeds of the plant can reduce inflammation. 7. May help lower cholesterol. When it comes to controlling high levels of fats, cumin is regarded as a hypolipidemic substance. This means that it can help lower bad cholesterol levels. In a study, researchers found that a cumin-flavored yogurt supplement can help reduce cholesterol. Individuals with high levels of cholesterol also experienced beneficial effects after consuming cumin. 8. Aids in weight loss. More studies are needed to confirm the effects of cumin on weight loss. However, in a couple of studies, it was shown that women who were overweight were able to improve their vital statistics and weight after being given a healthy diet and cumin powder. 9. Improves symptoms of IBS. In a study, researchers discovered that cumin extract can effectively treat the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, such as bloating, nausea, and digestive spasms. They noted that this natural ingredient could be an effective alternative to expensive prescription drugs for people who cannot afford to treat their condition. 10. Boosts memory. In addition to boosting memory, cumin can also improve the function of the central nervous system, which is responsible for controlling various body functions. Because of its effects on this system, cumin could be used to treat Parkinson's disease. Risks and side effects. Although cumin is generally considered to be safe, one should be aware of the potential side effects of taking it. The recommended daily dosage for herbal supplement is around 300 to 600 milligrams. Studies have shown that taking cumin can decrease the production of testosterone, which could lead to lower fertility. Cumin is also known to trigger miscarriage in some cultures, so women who are trying to become pregnant or are expecting should keep this in mind. Recipes. With its robust flavor, cumin can be used in various low cholesterol recipes. It can be easily incorporated into grains, vegetables, and other food items for a rich and flavorful effect. One of the easiest ways to use cumin is in a dish such as salmon, which is coated in a combination of spices such as cumin, fresh lemon, and cilantro. Another simple recipe that uses cumin is lemon cumin rice. This dish requires just preparing the rice and adding some oil and cumin seeds. You can also make your own by purchasing fresh cumin seeds from the market. They can then be dried and roasted before being used. The bottom line. Due to the numerous proven benefits of cumin, it is not considered a risky ingredient. In addition to its current applications, more potential applications of this natural ingredient are expected to emerge in the coming years. Some animal studies have shown that it can improve bone density, sperm count, and blood quality. Before taking any herbal supplement, it is important that you consult with your doctor first. Also, make sure that the instructions on the products you buy are followed properly.